Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just a friendly reminder that throwing parts at your vehicle is not really all that great. We all wish we can just fix our own cars, but sometimes throwing parts at it can get very expensive. This is how you would test your wiper motors always staying on your GMC or GM vehicle, really, most GMs. So you're like, which one of these electrical parts should I replace? The switch or the wiper motor module? So the way we test the switch is that you got to test the resistance on all these variable speeds, the low speed and the high speed, along with these functions it's got. So just real quick, we can see that out here we have the windshield wiper motor module right here, and you just hook your trusty ohm meter to the old pink and gray wire that plugs into your module. Come out here and you start testing the resistances. That one's supposed to be about 1,000. Okay, about 800 more. There you go, 1,800. Next up is 1,200 more, 3,000. That's good. Next stop is 5,000 something, 5.7. Good. Then lastly, about 10,000 ohms, and then that's low. This is low speed. 390 is supposed to be. There it is. And then high speed, wide open, baby. No load. That works great. Your switch is good. The module is the one that's bad. Leave a thumbs up. Thank you.